Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Xbox Series X not connecting to Wi-Fi. To fix it, so you could follow these steps. So there might be various reasons why the issue might have occurred. The first might be a distance and interference. Now most of the Xbox Wi-Fi problems are caused by a console being too far from the wireless router or too much interference on the same frequency. Next, it could be a network equipment problem as well, or an Xbox problem as well. To fix it, so what you could do is you could check your Xbox Wi-Fi settings. So for that, you want to open up your router settings on your computer and check the SSID and password. So once you go to this section, then next thing you want to do is write down the SSID and then a password. Once you do it, so then turn on your Xbox Series 1. Then you want to turn it on your Xbox, and after you've actually done it, so press the guide button on your Xbox controller and navigate to system, then go to settings. Then you want to set up your wireless network connection here, and once you've actually done it, so you want to look for the SSID. What you want to do is enter the password and write down the SSID. As you've done it, so you want to check if the Xbox has connected to your Wi-Fi network or not. If something else prevents an Xbox from connecting to the Wi-Fi, then what you could do is, in that case, you could press the guide button on your controller and navigate to system, then go to settings and go to network and network settings. After which, you simply want to go to advanced settings. Taken to the advanced settings, you want to select alternate MAC address and select clear. Then you want to select restart and restart your Xbox and check if that works or not. So these are some of the ways to fix it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.